Hello everyone, I am Shreya.
I'm Akshaya.
I'm Sandhya.
I'm Harshina.
I'm Shridan.
I'm Deepatika.
I'm Vaishnavi.
My name is Madhumita.
Raccoon is ready for children.
Let us start it by a quick information of the vaccine. We have to know the vaccine. The vaccine is a biological preparation that provides immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent which looks similar to
I'm Akshaya. Now I'm going to talk about the importance of vaccinating ourselves against corona. Corona is a pandemic disease which can easily spread from one person to another in an easy way. Government ordered people to get vaccinated. Covaxin and Covishield are the two current vaccines used in India. As corona is a contagious disease, staying ourselves safe and making others not to get panic because of us is an important thing. The only solution for this is to get vaccination. It is safer thing because the person who vaccinates us will also follow the COVID rules. They will also wear mask and hand
Hello
gloves.
everyone, I am Shreya and now I am going to share you about why vaccines are most important. First of all, what is vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. The term vaccine was first given by the great physician Edward Jenner. Nowadays, we are getting affected easily to
But after we know about this COVID-19, we can realize that vaccines are very important for adults too. If you're getting vaccinated, you're preventing and protecting yourself and your family member. If you're skipping vaccine, means that you're pulling yourself to vulnerable illness. Why we want to get vaccine? If we get vaccinated, what will happen? So, if you get vaccinated, it will help you to boost your immune system. If our immune system get boosted,
biological preparation that provides instant immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent which looks similar to a disease causing microbes. The term vaccine or vaccination comes from the word variole vaccine, which means smallpox of cow. Vaccine prevents spread of dangerous virus like we are seeing in our day-to-day life, the COVID-19. We are seeing millions and millions of people getting affected and getting thousands
It's the
people.
individual's duty to get vaccinated. If you don't have a severe vaccine or medical in contradictions, and as when it vaccine is in your vicinity, you should do it. So it is notable that the medias of Sweden, United Kingdoms and United States have been trying to emphasize repeatedly mentioning the term herd immunity. When enough people got vaccinated in a population, we achieve the golden figure of 70 percentage plus.
Safest and secured one. We should be definitely get it vaccinated. It will not protect us. It will not only protect us, it will also protect the people around us. Vaccination is an important part of the family as well as the public health. It will develop the antibodies against some particular diseases. So it is very important to vaccinate. And some diseases like plague, mumps, chickenpox, smallpox are once injured and killed a lot of people. But now we have eliminated a lot of diseases only by
When we
the
take
help
a
of
present
vaccination.
situation,
So
I
we
can
should
give
feel
example. COVID-19 is a virus which is spreading all over the world. COVID-19 can spread quickly and widely. If we come forward and get vaccinated, it slows down the spreading of virus. By the result of vaccination is it strengthens the immune system and fight against virus. The impact of pandemic result in causing economic depression and changing the way of work and interacting between the people who are near and far away from us. The reaction of vaccine are very rare.
The immune immune system is then activated. For some diseases, vaccine provides lifelong protection. And nowadays, all vaccines are safe for yourself. It is very rare case where a vaccine would have side effect. The chances of protecting yourself from a preventable disease are much higher than that of a side effect. I wish to conclude with the point getting vaccinated not only protects you from the disease but also helps to prevent the spread of these diseases.
Control and
I
prevention recommends vaccination throughout your life to protect against many infections. Vaccines are as important to your overall health as diet and exercise, like eating healthy foods, exercise, and regular checkups. Vaccine contain either killed or weakened viruses, making it impossible to get the disease from the vaccine. When you get vaccinated, you are
After
protected.
the vaccine was given to the people, the disease was eventually erased. It's the only disease to be completely destroyed. There are now other close to that point, including polio. What are vaccines? A vaccine is a way to build your body's naturally immunity to a disease before you get sick. This keeps you from getting and spreading the disease. How does immunity work? Your body builds a defensive system to fight foreign germs that could make you sick.
Injecting
It's
a
called
4 dose
the
for
immune system.
newborn
To build
after
up your
2
immune
months
system.
till 6 years because it prevents babies from serious illness which can kill. The first vaccine was discovered is
People are not considered fully vaccinated until 2 weeks after the second dose of Pfizer, BioNTech and Moderna COVID-19 vaccine, or 2 weeks after a single dose COVID-19 vaccine. You should
If you don't stay vaccinated, the disease will come back. For instance, the here and now coronavirus second wave charged our entire world. It is necessary to get vaccinated. The importance of getting vaccinated for COVID, or the vaccine can prevent you from getting COVID or from becoming serious illness or dying due to COVID. So it is mandatory to get vaccinated. Keep social distancing and stay safe. Thank you.